Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the prompter feature on CapCut to help with like video presentations and whatnot. So you're going to basically select the prompter button here, and here you're just going to press the pencil button to write down what you want to write, like for the prompter. I'm just going to like randomly type stuff and press done. And then you're just going to press the gear button here, and this will adjust like the speed a little bit. If you want it to go faster, move it to the right. If you want to go slower, move it to the left. You can also adjust the font size as well here, and you can change the color by pressing on these colors right here. And once you're done, you're just going to press the record button over here to start recording using the prompter button. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!